Hey guys, welcome to Discover Technology. And when Samsung showed off their Infinity Display foldable smartphone, apart from showcasing the foldable display technology, the rest of the phone was quite literally shrouded in darkness. This had led to a quite bit of speculation as to what kind of feature we might be able to expect from such a device. According to a report from coding publication ET News, the phone is expected to sport a triple camera setup on its back. Should this come as a surprise? Hardly no, when especially you look at the Samsung smartphone launched in 2018, where many featured more than one camera. In fact, the Samsung Galaxy A9 had a quad camera setup on the back. So to hear the possibility that the company's foldable smartphone would have a triple camera setup actually makes it sound somewhat reasonable. It is also said that the camera setup will follow that of Galaxy A7, where one will be the primary sensor, one will feature a depth sensor to help achieve that bokeh effect, and one will sport an ultra-wide lens. The main difference between this setup and that of Galaxy A9 is that the Galaxy A9 had an additional telephoto lens that completed its quad camera design. There is still no telling when Samsung will officially release its foldable smartphone, but even when it does, we are not sure how many people will be able to afford it. Last week we heard the asking pricing of the handset could start at an eye-watering freaking $1,800, meaning that you have to be one of the Samsung fan to purchase it. So that was it for the video guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, peace out.